Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix your footer to the bottom of the page in Wix. This is incredibly useful if you want your footer to stay visible as visitors scroll through your site, creating a more professional and consistent look. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu where you'll see various options for managing your site. Click on Site and Mobile App, and a drop-down selection will appear. From this menu, go ahead and click on Website. This takes you directly into your website management area where you can make all the necessary adjustments. Now that you're in the website section, take a moment to preview the website settings you currently have. This is an important step because you want to make absolutely sure that this is the correct website where you wish to fix the footer on the bottom part of your page. If you manage multiple sites through Wix, this quick check ensures you're working on the right one and won't accidentally modify the wrong project. Once you've confirmed you're working with the correct site, locate the Design Site button. You'll find this button on the top part of your screen, typically positioned beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to the full editing interface where you can customize every element of your website. Click on it to proceed to the next stage. After clicking Design Site, you'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens and where you have complete control over your site's layout and design. From here, scroll down or navigate to locate the footer section you wish to have in a fixed position. The footer is usually at the very bottom of your page and contains information like contact details, social media links, or copyright notices. Now select the footer by clicking on it. Once it's selected, right-click on the footer element and a small menu will appear with several options. From this small menu, you'll see a toggle switch labeled Freeze Position. Simply toggle this switch on and it will freeze the footer to its position, making it stay fixed at the bottom of the page, even as visitors scroll through your content. This creates that sticky footer effect that keeps important information constantly accessible. And that's it. Your footer is now fixed to the bottom of your Wix page, providing a consistent and professional browsing experience for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.